Alright, here's a bunch of the Pelco stuff I have. This is a new thing I got today. It's a Pelco MPT9500 coaxitron controller. If y'all don't know what coaxitron is, it's to control PTZ cameras, only Pelco ones, through the video cable. So as you can see, coming out of here is only power and video. And the signals to control these motors that'll turn this horizontally and vertically are transmitted through the one video cable. And this has the circuitry to do that. Something like this, the KBD300A, will not do that. You can use it to directly control this without a DVR or multiplexer with direct mode, which is the KBD kit, essentially an RJ45 wall block. To use the keyboard, it's simple. You have this joystick and it is variable speed, which is nice, meaning you push it a bit, camera turns a bit. You push it a lot, camera turns a lot. And this button, I'll explain what that does. So now we're going to hit it just a bit. I'm going to scan there. And now if I push it all the way, it turns like that. Now for the button. If I push it at any rate, and I hit the button on top, it speeds up. This is called the turbo button. See what happens when I press it? Pretty cool. As far as zoom, it's not like this one where you twist it and it'll zoom in and out. You actually have to physically press telephoto zoom and telephoto zoom wide. The iris functions do work, even though all cameras nowadays are auto iris. Preset run pan main. I don't know what that does. Oh. Anyway, here's some of the information for the functions over here. Coax mode. Alrighty, this here is the monitor which I'm using to control it. It is just a cheap little $25 monitor you can get off eBay from China. It's meant for making a backup reverse monitor for your car. But it works really nice, and I have it set up in this case here, which I had some of these little cheap cameras. So now I just use it for bench testing this. This is called a bench test when it's not set up fully. So obviously this here would have its cover on. It goes on like that. And then this gets hung like that from an arm on the side of the house or building. And if I move the camera up, if I move it all the way up, it does an automatic flip. Down, automatic flip. And now as I'm holding this down, it's still going to continue to go. See, watch this. Automatic flip. And around she goes with the turbo button. Another cool thing we have here is the flip. Where is it? Yeah, 5 and then F1. So we're going to hit 5, F1, automatically flips. And that's about it. Oh, and you can program preset patrols for it. So you can do that, which means you program it to start, and then you move it how you'd like it to do its thing, and then it'll loop that around. As far as power, it's good old-fashioned 110 right from the wall. This I don't understand why they do that. It's the looped video, so this is to go maybe to your DVR or to your monitor or something if you want to have video going two places. And I notice when we take this out, don't know if y'all can see it, but the screen changes. Now we've totally lost video. Huh. Oh, now video's come back. Strange. Anyway, and it's just a BNC crimp plug with a blue connector attached to this. Here's our video in, which is the video coming from the camera, and then out, which is to the monitor. Now, the in is also putting out the coaxitron signals to this. And here's what it looks like. That's the camera. Thanks for listening.